Hey y'all, well, I hope this focuses because I did a video completely out of focus. I'm just trying to decide if I'm going to even put it up. What did I do with that mascara? Oh well, we'll try this mascara today. This is the Pillow Talk Push Up Mascara from Charlotte Tilbury. So we'll try that because I got a Charlotte Tilbury eye makeup palette we're going to use. And her eyelash curler. So that all fits. But I actually want to show y'all something that people have asked me about. What is your COVID-19 go-to makeup routine? And I do have one that does not normally include foundation. And it's just a few things, and I'm going to show them to you right now. I do, because my eyes look sleepy when I first wake up. I've tried this, what's the name of this? Wake Up Call. Need a wake up call with your incredible depuffing under eye jade roller. And I got this off the recommendation of, I can't think of her name. Anyway, she's big on YouTube. She doesn't need mine. But when I first saw it, I thought it's kind of gimmicky. But it is cooling. The jade is a nice cool ball, like a marble ball. And so that cooling effect does help with, what am I trying to say? I can't talk this morning. I'm not concentrating. That's what it is. I'm not concentrating. Why am I not concentrating? I got my mind on too many things. So, oh, that coffee's so good. Maybe that's it. I just need my little wake-up call. I'm just kidding. I'm mostly doing decaf now. So, but anyway, Wake Up Call Roller by Incredible. It looks like ink, I-N-C .credible. And Need a Wake Up Call is the name of the roller. It's just got a little solution in here. You shake it up real good and roll it underneath. Before that, I was using, and I really do like, I think a lot better, and that is the MAC Fast Response Eye Cream. And it just does. It helps the pooching. You know, I have my own terms for things, but I guess I should use the industry terms, which is puffy under eye bags. Puffiness. I'd say poochiness. Anyway, it does help. You just do a tiny bit of either of these, and then you just rub it in. I use my middle finger. People always talk about using your ring finger because it's more delicate. I don't want it more delicate. I want to really rub it in, get it in those crevices, get it deep down past that first, what is the outer layer, the epidermis, to get down to the dermis. I don't know if it even gets that far, but anyway, I do think it helps. So that's one thing that I do every morning now. After I do a hot as I can stand it, washcloth. I just get it in good hot water, wring it all out, and just breathe in the moisture through my mouth and through my nose, just to get that moisture in my respiratory system and my nasal system, just everywhere in there, and also just to really clean off my face really good from just night, I don't know, sweat or dirt off sheets or what are they called? Bed bites? Not bed. It's bed lice. Anyway, little bugs that like to eat on your skin, which is actually good because then they eat it up. Anyway, so the first thing after that I do is my Instant Age Rewind, and I keep coming back to this one or this one. I need to go get me one to put in my other, either one of these I like. Do y'all see that little dog hair floating through there it goes. I can let it lay right on my finger. Can y'all see it? Okay. I have two dogs. These are my two favorites, especially the Rimmel Match Perfection in number 230, which is Fairlight. It's very, very thin. It's not watery, but it's thin, so it doesn't cake up a lot. This is next to the thinnest, and it's really easy to put on because of the little sponge. I literally start on the outside and go right under the lashes and come in, and then go down to here. I come down my nose into this little crevice here and right there. And then I touch up any age spots. And then, honestly, I just blend that out. Once I've blended that out, I don't feel like I need a lot of foundation. Today I did use my Chanel foundation. I think it's the full coverage foundation, just to try something different. And then I did my makeup with one product, all this makeup. And it's the L'Oreal Visible Lift Radiance Cheek Duo. And this is Pretty in Plum 204. And remember, I was thinking plum was like purple. Plum is not purple. It's like a peachy color. But what you do, it comes with a little brush, so even if you don't have brushes, you've got this little brush. And what you do is go ahead and put it on, and I go from here up like that. And build myself a nice little cheekbone. And then I kind of round it back out in the front of the cheeks. And then a little dust across the bridge of my nose and under my nose. Always blow out so you don't get a bunch of makeup up your nose. So, okay, so I do that because I have a long and bigger nose. So I put a darker color underneath so it kind of lifts it a little bit. And there's another trick that we're going to show you too. Then I also go straight down here, almost like a paintbrush, to get the fatty. And then I blend it out both sides. Can do that. What you're doing is you're causing, blend it out good because you don't want stroke lines. But you're just causing a shadow under here so it kind of hides the fatty. And then also I do that around the outer part of my brow, right at my hairline. Again, don't make a little cap line, kind of scunch it or round it or something to kind of give it just out here in the temple area and then at the hairline. Then I flip it over and I do the highlight color, and I do that right on, not where the crow's feet are where they tell you to do it, because you don't want to highlight your crow's feet. Go right below that and come in. Then you can use a little of that underneath your eyebrow, on the top of your chin, just the top. You don't want to highlight a big chin. You want, matter of fact, I came up a little bit with that peach color on the very end and then blended it back down. But just do a little highlight right on the top right there. Cupid's bow. Just do your mouth like that and get the peaks, the Cupid bow peaks, and get a little highlight there and just touch that, not the whole end of your nose, or you look like you have this huge nose. Just that little tip in point right there. And then a little on either side of the front of the brow, and that's enough. Now, what you also can do is use this and lightly put it in there and do some eyeshadow in your crease. And because it's such a big brush, you got a nice, I say peachy plum shadow, and then you can just take your pinky finger and put a little highlight right on each of your inner corner and then across your lid and under your brow, and just kind of blend that out. So, one product, you can do your whole face. COVID-19 makeup ease. And again, like I said, I do use under eye concealer. So that's 2 products. And if you do an eye cream, which I always recommend, so that, I'll just pick these 3. Eye cream, concealer for under eye and the face, so that you don't even put on foundation. And then I also do, I do like to line my eyes. So literally, this L'Oreal Infallible Matte Matic is my all-time favorite ever. I can put this on looking at you. Watch. I don't need a mirror. Just kind of feeling it. Right on my waterline even. Even tight lining. And what does that do? That just helps reinforce your eyelash line. Why? It just makes them look more vibrant. And you think, Beth, how do you do that without looking? How do you do that without sticking it in your eye? Well, the whole point is you aren't sticking this way. You're going that way. And you're just running it on your lashes. Right on your lash line. You can use a mirror if you want to. Anyway, got to have my lashes, my liners. And I got to have a brow product. Now, if I'd used brown, I could have used the brown on my eyebrow. But I like black on my eyes for the most part. This is Revlon's Color Stay Brow Pencil and Crayon. And so this is a crayon style. I always support the underside of the brow and then do some little flicks to make the arch and kind of shape that out. And then you use the other end, which is a spoolie brush, that you can go ahead and brush it up. And you're done. So that is what? 4 products now. 5 products. And you're done. Easy. But y'all know me. I am not easy. So, I want to also use, you don't have to do that. And you don't have to have mascara. I like to add mascara. I'm just going to use my Charlotte Tilbury palette here so I can use this. I love this new Rare Beauty, and I think this is called Brow Harmony. Yeah, Brow Harmony Cool Brown. I got this on my Sephora haul, and I do like it a lot. And so since I've already done the, I'm going to use this little brow gel. I've already done the actual pencil work. I forgot that I had this product in the bathroom. So I'm coming out here to my filming area at my desk, my office, and I just want to gel up these lashes a little. I mean, these eyebrows a little bit, just to keep them in place. Always use the front brow first, because that's where you're going to be putting down most of your product. Brush straight up from the base. You can even roll it a little if you want to make sure that you get the base and also get the lashes above it. And then once you're finished doing that, this I overdid a little this morning, y'all. I can tell right now, and I just missed that. Yeah, I got too much off on that. So I'm going to have to come back through and see if it'll come off. It did. Oh, good. That came right off. Yeah, came right off. Good. Yeah, I went a little too high on this brow. So, yeah, there's a little bit of work to do on that, but for the most part, I don't care. I keep hitting the skin. That's my problem, I think. Just stay under the brow more. And then I've got to comb some of this excess off, y'all. There, it's a little better. Not really. Okay. So I do like that. What I'm going to do is use one of my little cotton buds and just kind of clean that up. Yeah, I've got way too high here. And use the flat end. And just kind of reshape that by cleaning that up a little bit. Just going to reshape that a little bit by cleaning it off. Yeah. And then I'm just going to use the little pointed end to kind of push those little lashes back up a little. Well, I keep saying lashes, brow hairs. So that's that. Let me set that down. Actually, I want to use this brush because I got too much on it. It's the problem. And this is just dry. Yeah, that took some of it off. I think that does look better. I had a little too much on there. Let's just work with it. I really do, y'all. These little cotton buds, I can't, like the Q-tips. Q-tip is a brand name. But these little cotton buds that I got, that's